Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Realme Buds Q2s with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. And when you do this, all you have to do is basically to open this charging case. As you can see, this indicator turns on, and then we have to just remove the earbuds from the case. Then just put them close to your phone, and when you did all of these previously steps, you have to just open the settings on your device. Then simply go to the Bluetooth settings. So turn on Bluetooth on your device, then open the whole Bluetooth settings, and as you can see on available devices list, we can find the Realme Buds Q2s. So click on them once, accept the pairing. Okay, and right now, as you can see, we are successfully connected. And you can also go for the Play Store, so we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and get the Realme Link application. And thanks to this application, we can find more features of these earbuds. So let's type on the search pool, let's type Realme Link, and that's the application that we have to download. That's the full name of app, and also that's the logo of the application. If you are using, for example, the Huawei phone without the Google services, you have to open your app gallery or try to get this application from the browser. Okay, right now just open this application. Then accept all the permissions that will pop on your screen, and we have to select our location. So I'm actually in Poland, and click to get it, and we have to click to pair new device. Accept another permissions. As you can see, we have to sign in with our account, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. If you don't have account, you can also create a new account by tapping right here, and you can log in with your phone number, or you can also switch to the email. So when you click right here, you will be able to sign in with your email account. Okay, and when you log in with your account, as you can see, we can find other device that was actually connected with my phone, but right now we can find the Realme Buds Q2s. So basically, when you previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, you will already find them when you log into your account. So right now we can click on them, accept all this stuff that pops on the screen, and as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.